Useful English and Tagalog translation.
Tagalog expression, using ka with English translation.
Anong oras ka gumising?
What time did you wake up?
Wala kang dahilan para magalit.
You have no reason to be angry.
Hindi ko magagawa yun kung wala ka.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Pwede ka nang magsimula sa susunod na linggo.
You can start next week.
Hindi ka ba sasali?
Aren't you going to join?
Nagkakamali ka.
You're making a mistake.
Basang-basa ka.
You are soaking wet.
May gusto ka bang gawin?
Is there something you want to do?
Huwag kang umasa.
Don't get your hope up.
Bakit hindi ka pumasok sa trabaho ngayon?
Why didn't you go to work today?
Mukhang gutom na gutom ka.
You look very hungry.
Seryoso ka ba sa sinabi mo?
Are you serious about what you said?
Hindi ka ba pupunta rito?
Aren't you coming here?
Dapat umuwi ka na.
You should go home.
Hindi ka ba masaya na nandito ako?
Aren't you happy that I'm here?
Pumikit ka muna.
Close your eyes first.
Ang mahalaga ay okay ka.
The important thing is you okay.
Siguro dapat tumingin ka sa salamin.
Maybe you should look in the mirror.
Sana manalo ka.
I hope you win.
Paano kung magkasakit ka?
What if you get sick?
Hindi ka ba papasok?
Aren't you coming inside?
Dumungaw ka sa bintana.
Look out the window.
Tumingin ka ba sa ilalim ng upuan?
Did you look under the chair?
Huwag kang magalit kung ayaw niyang makipagtulungan.
Don't get angry if he refuses.
Hindi ka dapat magkasakit.
You shouldn't get sick.
Bakit natatakot kang bumalik doon?
Why are you afraid to go back there?
Pinag-uusapan ka nila.
They are talking about you.
Pwede ka nang umalis.
You can leave now.
Galit ka pa rin ba sa akin?
Are you still upset with me?
Gusto kong makausap ka sa lalong madaling panahon.
I would like to speak to you as soon as possible.
Bago ka pa rito?
Are you new here?
Dapat kang magpahinga kung pagod ka.
You rest if you are tired.
Huwag mong kalimutang maglinis kapag tapos ka.
Don't forget to clean up when you are done.
Buong araw kang nanonood ng TV.
You watched TV all day.
Magbabakasyon ka ba ngayong summer?
Are you going on vacation this summer?
Gaano ka na ba katagal may sakit?
How long have you been sick?
Maniwala ka sa sarili mo.
Believed in yourself.
Tapos ka na bang kumain?
Are you finished eating?
Nagtrabaho ka ba sa ibang bansa dati?
Have you worked abroad before?
Baka may mabasag ka.
You might break something.
Wala ka pang kinakain ngayong araw.
You haven't eaten anything today.
Pwede ka bang umikot?
Can you turn around?
Makinig ka sa akin ng mabuti.
Listen to me carefully.
Bakit hindi ka nila tinatanong?
Why didn't they ask you?
Kailangan ka namin kahit anong mangyari.
We need you, no matter what.
Wala ka bang napapansing kakaiba?
Don't you notice anything unusual?
Dito ka pa rin ba nakatira?
You still live here?
Dapat kumain ka pa.
You should eat more.
Thank you for watching! Salamat sa panonood!